2021, Subaru WRX and WRX STI. The next generation WRX, in which the sub-theme Boulder, is reflected in the current design theme Dynamic and Solid to increase its strength. An improved version of GSP is used for the chassis. The next generation Subaru WRX and WRX STI will allegedly both use versions of the brand's 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine, according to Japanese site carsensor.net. 3 turbocharged power plants will motivate 80% of the automaker's lineup by 2021. The FA24 2.4-liter turbo flat-4 is already familiar from models like the Ascent, Legacy, and Outback. It produces 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque, and 376 Nm of torque in all 3 of these models. The new WRX and WRX STI reportedly use a high-output version of this mill. A rumor suggests this high-output FA24 could make 400 horsepower and 490 Nm of torque. To handle the extra power, there would be parts like stronger internals, different valves, and more boost. There are allegedly 3 reasons for switching to the FA24 for the next generation WRX and STI. First, it is more efficient than the earlier engines. Also, Subaru is less concerned with international motorsports where the rules generally favor a 2.0-liter displacement. Finally, folks outside of Japan are used to a WRX STI with a 2.5-liter power plant, and these customers are accustomed to the drivability of a larger displacement engine. A 6-speed manual would remain available for them. According to carsensor.net, the existing CVT can only handle up to 400 Nm of torque. It is not clear how Subaru intends to handle this issue. A rumor suggests that Toyota is offering some input into the new WRX and STI, including using advanced all-wheel drive technology. This system might have something in common with the Yaris WRC system. In addition, a new 1.5-liter turbocharged flat-4 will replace models with the current naturally aspirated boxer engine, so it will likely be in future versions of the Impreza and Crosstrek. Plus, there will be a 1.8-liter turbocharged flat-4 that will power the next Levorg, according to carsensor.net. What do you think of 2021 Subaru WRX and WRX STI? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.